Hi guys. I really feel like doing a paradox today. Um, on a dark page. Let's grab one of these. Uh, that's an interesting color, sort of a dark blue jean kind of color. Let's use this white pen because I got this great white pen and it's working awesome and I like it. And I'm just feeling like doing some paradox. Um, do I want to do it in circle? Sure. Let's do a circle. Okay, I've done that. What is that? I don't know, but I've done it. Yeah, I'm just going to do it like that. That's my shape. Make sure that that's writing. And I wanted to do something that didn't take a whole lot of brain power today because I'm kind of thinking about my friend Scott who passed away last weekend. We'll be having his service coming up next week, and I'm just thinking of him. He was a great guy, and it was very sudden and unexpected. According to his folks, he mowed the lawn, told his folks he was going into his apartment, going to take a shower, going to have a beer and relax. And then they didn't hear from him until the next morning when they found him in his living room right there with his beer like he said he was going to do. So they don't know exactly what happened, but and they were preparing for his 50th birthday party, so he was relatively young. It just kind of reminds me of my husband's brother who also died at an early age. In his 50s and just was out taking a walk with his wife and boom, down he fell. And his heart just stopped beating. So when things like this happen and it's not a not a long, protracted illness or anything, nothing that you're kind of expecting. Really does make you think about your own mortality, mortality of those around you. I'm grateful for every single day of this life that I have. I really like how that looks. That's cool. I wonder if I want to do paradox in there or not. I do want to go this way. The other thing I'm thinking of is my work schedule tomorrow. I have to be at work at 5:30 in the morning. Oh my gosh. I am not a morning person. I thought it was bad having to be there at 6:45. It is going to be a double caffeine sort of morning. Don't think I want paradox there. I want to leave those. I think I want to do this. That. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. All right, we're done. That's an easy one. That is an easy one. Look at how fast that was. 12 minutes. Beautiful. I love how that turned out. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I think on the next one I'm going to do is a little arts and crafts. I'm going to, yeah, I think so. All right, you have a blessed day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.